Brothers and sisters, Luther's protest is over. Is yours? Because I challenge my Protestant pastor friends, if there is no more protest, how can there be a Protestant church? Maybe now we're all Catholics again.
An unusual time in which those on the inside of our church are questioning our distinctive teachings and doctrines more than those who despise us.